Fellow Zimbabweans, the scale of looting taking place in our country is staggering. It is obscene, intolerable, and plainly criminal. Even more disturbing is that it is allegedly being enabled by sections of the state apparatus itself, an arrangement as disgusting as it is unsustainable for any nation serious about development. Sabina Mashkubran when the state capture looting exposed how power is being used to plunder Zimbabwe. Remember, subscribe or like out on the bell icon. News by Tinubu. Ladies and gentlemen, the Emerson Mnangagwa administration is being accused of not building the country, but entrenching a system of looting, primitive accumulation of wealth through state power, sustained by illegality. These alleged practices include unconstitutional term extension agendas, capture of the judiciary, and the systematic weakening of opposition politics through bribery, patronage, and coercion, arrest of opponents, election manipulation, and political violence are cited as part of this toxic mix. The latest alleged victim of these rent-seeking maneuvers are players in the mining sector, particularly foreign-owned companies. The Chinese investor said, to be honest, are to be hardest hit. A new strategy is reportedly being rolled out to extract royalties from gold mining companies through Tungara's Privé Group. Under this group, all alluvial gold mining activities have been suspended nationwide, officially to enforce compliance with environmental and rehabilitation regulation. On the surface, it appears reasonable, but the controversy lies in the reported exemption granted to Privé Group, owned by Tungwarara, who is described as a presidential economic advisor. The exemption is where critics say the real agenda is exposed. The alleged plan is to suffocate foreign mining companies through prolonged suspension, force them into desperation, and then compel them to operate under Privé Group, paying monthly royalties reportedly ranging from 10 to 15%. This suspension, affecting all 10 provinces, is described as a carefully engineered rent-sinking scheme, given a veneer of legality through ministerial directives and proposed statutory institutions. Ndo mashoko ari muri Zimbabwe vanoposta again maletters amuri kuona achisuspend alluvial mining panguva ine zvingonzi Privé Group ndo iringotenderawo kuita. Pinda comment section medu zofungura aimotodiba pamusoro pechirwere ichi. So unosubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.